We have always emphasized single fluid temperature control, so what are the advantages of using a single fluid heat transfer temperature control system? First, using the fully enclosed pipeline design, users can obtain a closed and repeatable temperature control in a wide temperature range, which can achieve temperature control of -120 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Second, the fully enclosed pipeline design avoids the replacement of traditional equipment and the need for jacket maintenance. The smaller fluid volume also ensures the rapid response of the control loop and the thermal response delay is small. Third, built-in electric heating heat transfer oil auxiliary system, which can automatically open the auxiliary heating system according to demand to reduce the pressure of steam usage. Fourth, the temperature of the whole reaction process is controlled by fast calculation, and the exothermic and endothermic reactions that occur in the whole reaction process are quickly controlled. A standardized interface is reserved, and the heat exchange module of cold and heat sources can be added according to actual needs. Fifth, the temperature of the reaction process and the temperature of the single fluid can be optionally controlled, and the temperature difference between the temperature of the reaction process and the temperature of the heat conduction single fluid can be set and controlled.